Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate ANSYS Icepak for EV battery cooling design, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate ANSYS Icepak for EV battery cooling design, first, ensure you have a valid license for ANSYS software. Open the ANSYS License Manager on your computer. Verify that your license includes ANSYS Icepak within the list of available products. Next, launch the ANSYS Workbench application. In the Workbench interface, locate the Toolbox window on the left side. Search for Icepak in the Toolbox search bar. Drag and drop the Icepak component into the project schematic area. A new Icepak system will appear in your project. Double-click the Icepak system to open the Icepak environment. In the Icepak workspace, set up your project preferences under the File menu. Select Preferences and customize the options according to your project requirements. For EV battery cooling design, import the geometry of your battery pack. You can create this geometry using ANSYS Design Modeler or import it from a CAD software. Once the geometry is imported, check for any necessary mesh settings under the Mesh option. Generate the mesh suitable for your simulation by adjusting the settings as needed. Next, define the materials for your components under the Materials section. Select the correct thermal properties for the battery materials and cooling fluids. Continue by setting up the boundary conditions relevant to the cooling simulation. This may include specifying inlet temperatures and flow rates for cooling air or fluids. Set the simulation parameters under the Solution menu to define time and thermal calculation methods. Finally, initiate the simulation process by clicking the Solve button. Once the simulation is complete, visualize the results within the Icepak environment. Use the post-processing tools to analyze thermal performance and identify any hotspots. Make any necessary adjustments to the design based on the simulation output. This completes the activation and setup process for ANSYS Icepak and EV battery cooling design. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.